In primetime news this evening, both political parties claiming victory after Chief Justice's ruling in Portmore Parish battle. Patrons attending Champs urged to only park in authorized areas. And a new survey exposes serious safety issues in Jamaica.
Good evening and welcome to this abbreviated edition of Primetime News. Special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International on the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kelisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Kelisha, United Oil and Gas has secured a 2-year extension for its Walton offshore exploration license in Jamaica. The details later on.
Thanks, Anthony. And Giovanni Dennis is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Kelisha, our viewers may not know the kind of rivalry taking place behind the scenes, but 3 records have been broken on the penultimate day of Boys and Girls Championships. I'll have the details of those and much more in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Giovanni. And before the break, the feedback question this evening, we're asking, who do you think will win the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships? And you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.